Thanks a lot, Perth. You guys have been great.
Thanks for being enthusiastic. Perth, you complete me, but you make a lot of assumptions, and when you assume things, you make an ass out of you and me. We belong together, and you know that I'm blind. How could you let me then leave me and never say goodbye? Said we'd be forever, said it never die. How could you love me and leave me and never say goodbye? When you left me that night without holding you tight, girl, each time I try, just break down and cry. Pain in my head, I'd rather hear stand around and go all the way down to the end of the road, till I can't let go. It's unnatural. You belong to me, I belong to you. I know you love me, you just don't realize. You've never been there before. It's only your first time. Maybe I'll forgive you. Maybe one day you'll try. We should be happy together forever, you and I. Will you love me again like you loved me before? This time I want you to love me much more. This time instead, just come to my bed. Baby, just don't let me go.
Hey, Perth, remember when we went down to Kings Park and we drank that slab? We were so wasted we went in the bathroom and fucked that homeless person. It was awesome. Ever since then, Perth, I'm totally back in your bitch and you fully blaze. It's obvi. We got a radical future in front of us, Perth. I'm so stoked.
Yes, we come to the end of the road. Hey, I can't let go. It's unnatural. You belong to me, I belong to you. Yes, we come to the end of the road. Hey, I can't let go. It's unnatural. You belong to me, but we've come to the end of the road. Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of y'all's nights. Thanks for showing up and being enthusiastic.